2024 Hummer EV pickup gains $8,000 package for outdoorsy types. GMC has introduced a new Bedslide carrier and power tonneau package for the 2024 Hummer EV pickup, providing customers with even more customization for the cargo bed. Priced at $7,995, the package introduces a power-operated tonneau cover, a spare tire jack, a tool kit, and the Bedslide 1000 Classic. This helpful addition brings greater practicality to the Hummer, allowing customers to easily access tools and other items. Aside from this, the package also includes a rear horizontal spare tire carrier mount kit, an 18-inch spare tire, and a tire pressure monitoring system. GMC notes this doesn't extend to the spare, which receives a black painted wheel with machined accents. Per the configurator, the Bedslide carrier and power tonneau package is available on the EV2X and EV3X trims. It's a pricey option but adds many useful items that appeal to adventure-minded buyers. Selecting the package requires the fitment of the Extreme Off-Road package, which comes in at $9,995. This pricey package includes several desirable features, including skid plates for the battery and front/rear differentials, underbody cameras, and rocker protectors with assist steps. So, is it worth the hefty outlay? That depends entirely on how one uses their Hummer, but if you're heading off-road, we'd undoubtedly tick both boxes. The goodies included in the Bedslide carrier and power tonneau package are lovely, notably the Bedslide 1000 Classic, which has a weight limit of 1,000 pounds. That's enough to cart around hiking equipment or an assortment of tools. The power-operated tonneau cover also adds superior protection compared to the roll-up cover GMC supplies as standard. According to GM Authority, the new package is unavailable to order despite recently being added to the options lineup for MY 2024 Hummer pickups. We can't see any sign of this on the configurator, but a message does warn customers that certain features shown have limited or late availability. Out of interest, we built a Hummer EV pickup in EV3X guise and spec'd it up to the max to see how expensive it would be. Add all the options and a few accessories, and the price tag can easily breach the $160,000 mark. This enormous price tag has been achieved by adding the $23,360 Omega Edition package to our build. The Hummer lineup was recently subjected to a price increase, with the point of entry now sitting at $98,845. It's worth noting the delivery and destination charge has also soared to a whopping $2,295. 2024 Hummer EV pickup gains